What are you doing? Whoa! Are you getting Bettis? Can you tell me what you're doing? Jonas, what are you doing? What's that called? Bubbles. And what are you doing with the bubbles? They're going on the floor? You're really good at blowing bubbles. Yeah. You say hi to Daddy? Jonas.
Big ball.
Yeah, Jonas. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.